Hi, welcome back to Daily English with Diana. Have you ever had one of those days? You miss the bus, you spill your coffee, and you think, Today's episode is all about those small annoying things that happen in everyday life and how to express your frustration in natural real English. We're not talking about yelling or swearing, just the little things we say when life pushes us around a bit. Let's dive in. Number 1. Well, nothing I can do about it now. Well, nothing I can do about it now. It's a calm way to say, I give up, let it go. Here's an example. You oversleep, skip your breakfast, and run to the bus stop, just in time to see the bus pull away. You stand there, with your hands on your hips, sigh, and say, well, nothing I can do about it now. Number 2. Just my luck. Just my luck. Use this when something inconvenient or unfair happens again. Here's an example. You plan a picnic with your friends. The weather has been perfect all week, from Monday to Saturday until today. The sky turns gray and then rain. As you try to cover the sandwiches, you say, just my luck. Number 3. Figures. Figures. F-I-G-U-R-E-S. F-I-G-U-R-E-S. Figures. It's a short way to say, of course that happened. You are annoyed, but not surprised. Here's an example. You asked for no onions on your burger. You open the box and yep, piled with onions. You let out a breath and say, figures. Yes, it always happens to you. Number 4. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. It's a fun, romantic way to say, really? Again? Use it when one annoying thing leads to another. Here's an example. You drop your pen, then your phone, then you spill your water. You look at the mess and say, oh, come on. Number 5. Seriously? Seriously? S-E-R-I-O-U-S-L-Y. S-E-R-I-O-U-S-L-Y. Very short, very expressive. It means I can't believe this just happened. Here's an example. You're late. You finally get to the station and realize you forgot your wallet. You look up at the sky and say, seriously? Alright, time for mini review. Here are the 5 phrases we learned today. Number 1. Well, nothing I can do about it now. Well, nothing I can do about it now. Number 2. Just my luck. Just my luck. Number 3. Figures. Figures. Number 4. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Number 5. Seriously? Seriously? Try saying them out loud. Which one feels most natural to you? Let's take a break here. In the next episode, we will learn 5 more fun phrases you can use when your day keeps falling apart. Thanks for listening to Daily English with Diana. Until next time, stay cool and keep your English ready. Bye bye.